My name's Felicity. I'm mum to 3 boys who are 5, 2 and 10 weeks old, and I've been testing the Maxi-Cosi Jade car carry cot in sparkling grey. Here I'm fitting the 3-way fix Isofix base. And the footboard is attached to the base and installs like this, pushing downwards. There's a beep and a light changes to green when it's correctly installed. This is not correct. You can see the red light here, but here it is correct with the 2 green lights on the left hand side. The newborn inlay makes this quite a snug fit for a fairly average 2-month-old baby, but it is super comfortable. The straps do up as you would expect, and then adjust at the bottom. Once the base is installed, the car seat is really easy to click onto it. It fits in sideways. One nice feature is how you can move the seat back and forth. You can pull it forward to put the baby in and then push it back away from the door for when you're driving. Taking it out is actually a bit more fiddly and requires a little bit of practice. The carry cot detaches from the wheels by pressing in these buttons on either side. It's really easy. And it now becomes the first lie-flat car seat to comply with the latest i-size regulations. The car seat is really easy to put back into the wheels. You just line up these pieces here and it clicks in. Overall, I really like the Jade carry cot. I think it's got 4 major highlights for me. It complies with the latest in safety standards. It's fully lie-flat for the most comfortable ride for your baby. The finish of the fabrics is really good. It all feels really high quality and is fully washable. And I really like the way that it clicks in and out of the wheels and the Isofix really easily. This is a fully lie-flat carry cot, which is suitable for babies from birth until around 6 months. All of the covers are removable and machine washable, including this hood. There's a super comfortable inlay section, which is also removable when your baby gets bigger. The quality and the feel of the fabrics is really nice. The handle is really good quality. The hood clicks in really nicely and provides excellent shade. There are 3 things that I don't like about the Jade. Firstly, it's very big. So if you have a normal size car, you can probably only fit 1 other person next to it in the back seat. The second thing is that it has to fit on an Isofix base. You can't secure it with a seat belt, so that gives you a little bit less flexibility when you're traveling. And thirdly, it only lasts from birth until 6 months, whereas a lot of other car seats will take you through the first year. I hope you found this video helpful. To read my full review of the Jade car carry cot and for loads of other product reviews, buyer's guides and advice on the best parenting products, please visit MadeForMums.com.